Esteban Tiarino.
I'm here for parliamentary.
All right,
I'm sorry,
we're
Judge.
moving slow.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Just have a seat, sir. Let me take this matter up on Apolinar Rodriguez. Hello. Good morning. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, I believe that there's one video that we haven't seen, but we should have confirmation of probably by the end of the week, and that's just a body cam. Just to back up for the court to understand, this case is a little bit old. Client was apprehended. He was a fugitive for a while there, and so the video we're talking about is from back in 2023. But I'm thinking that, so in other words, I don't want to say that we don't have it.
Right.
But I would like to confirm it because there's some specific facts to address with him. I would think that we could reach a resolution on this case rather quickly, but there's something that needs to be confirmed first.
When do you want this recalled for plea deadline date?
Your Honor, I would ask for 3 weeks, maybe, Judge, or however the judge.
Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 3-week reset date for a plea deadline date, please?
And Your Honor, we have one other.
Just one moment.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thing at a time.
I can do August 4th.
All right, August 4th is going to be your plea deadline date. And the other issue, counsel?
Your Honor, he did have a failure to appear on April the 3rd. 2025. He's currently remanded without bond.
Yes.
We would ask the court to consider setting a bond in this case.
All right, if y'all set that on the docket for hearing, then the court will hear it. And whatever date you want to set that, Ms. Ferguson will take care of it. Number, what page is he on?
He's on the first page, Judge.
Thank you. All right, who's here on Esteban Tiarino? Counsel? Who's the attorney for Esteban Tiarino?
That'd be me, Judge.
Oh. And counsel, your motion has been signed.
Is that the
Investigator.
Yeah, we've done that one before. Judge, this.
You've done that before?
Yes, the one for pre-indictment court, but that's where his GPS motions were filed, and that's what this hearing was supposed to be on today. But we do have an agreement with the state pending court approval, of course.
What approval for what?
To move him from full house arrest to partial for him to be able to work, Judge.
All right, does he have proof of employment?
He's working at Linda's Tires. Well, of course, he's on full house arrest, so he can't work for them now, but it's Linda's Tires and with the tree service. They're both, well, all businesses fundamentally are private businesses right now, but if you get what it's whatever the court needs, we could produce for the court.
All right, so I'll need work schedule hours.
You know, can I talk for 2 seconds?
Sure. All right, I need a discovery date, 30 days, please.
Well, I guess it.
On Esteban Tiarino.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's okay. Your discovery is going to be August 14th. With regards to the court considering allowing you to work, I'll need a letter from your employer and I will need the work hours. So once that's been provided with me, your counsel can put you on the docket and we'll bring you back in at any time.
At any time?
Yes.
If she could get that this morning before 12, could we possibly?
Before 11:45.
Before 11:45, which would be technically kind of close, but we'll reapproach this on it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And if there are any CPS records, if you all can make sure that you check for that, please. Bio Duke View. Who's the attorney?
That'd be Judge.
That's for your other copy.
Thank you.
All right. Hello. So on this one, you have motions to suppress statements, or what are we seeking to suppress?
Your Honor, there were some statements made and there was some video, but Judge, really, I was going through that. His first language is Vietnamese, Judge. He does speak English. I have been able to communicate with him, but I know that out of an abundance of caution, once we get into the weeds of potential fleeing and or trial, so we would ask for a Vietnamese interpreter.
Is he a citizen?
He is a citizen. According, again, that's been verified by way of,
All right. How long has he been in the United States?
how long have you been in the United States?
2002.
So about 23 years, according to him.
All right.
So if the court, I just thought that if his first language wasn't English, I thought the policy of the court was to want to have an interpreter, but
No, it's if he's able to speak and understand English, then, and he feels that he does not need an interpreter, then we will not have an interpreter.
Um,
All right. So state, have you tendered all discovery on this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was an offer tendered?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, how old are you?
I'm 36.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
can you set this for a 3-week reset for plea deadline date, please?
same day, the 14th. Oh, I'm sorry, August 4th.
All right,
August 4th.
August 14th, that's fine.
No, August 4th.
August 4th? All right. All right, we'll have you brought back on August 4th. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Oh, no, that's all.
And just, I'm not sure, did the court call, I'm not sure if we're on the record, Judge?
No.
Okay, well, regardless, but Val, we will put it on the record. You're saying that you can understand the English language?
Yeah.
All right,
You
you
were
want to go
given
on the
your-
record? All right,
Two
the
seconds.
court is calling 2025 CR 006190, 2025 CR 006189, 2025 CR 006191, State versus Bao Duc Yu. Can I have parties, can I have defense announced?
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
And are you Mr. Vu?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. State your name for the record.
My name is Bob Fu Duck.
All right, how long have you been in the United States?
I've been in the United States almost 23, 24 years.
All right, and are you a US citizen?
Yes, I am.
Are you able to understand the English language?
Yes, I am.
All right, do you need an interpreter appointed?
I don't think I need it.
Well, no, not I don't think. If you need an interpreter to speak in the Vietnamese language, then we will make sure that an interpreter is present. If you do not need an interpreter, then we will not have an interpreter present. Do you need an interpreter? That's either yes or no. There's no right or wrong answer. No? Anything else?
No, that's all.
No, Your Honor, so we went through your indictments. You understand you have 3 indictments. You read them. You understand what they say. And you read them back to me, remember? All 3 of them, the case for the criminal mischief, the attempt to take a weapon from an officer, and the assault of a peace officer. Judge, we've gone through those and you understand what you're charged with and are able to communicate effectively with that. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So again, you do not need an interpreter.
No.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Maybe excuse Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay. Please read. August 4th. Well, you can do that too.
Yes. Okay.
I still have Smith.
Oh, okay. He just went to the exam first.
All right. Are you ready, counsel?
I am, Judge.
All right,
I
let me
can
just,
speak for him, but yeah.
all right, let me just put this in the system. All right, Smith. Jeffrey Smith. Hi,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
back.
We're back, I know.
Yeah. All right. So today was the plea deadline date, and
And we've not reached an agreement, Judge, so we can go into the trial set.
how long do y'all expect the trial to last?
Ooh, that's a very good question.
What?
3 to 5 days?
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yeah, okay.
this is 3-day jury trial. That excludes jury selection. They need a jury trial date. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to be open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So if y'all will confer with Ms. Ferguson, she'll give you a jury trial date. Norma, see if there's anything available in August.
But can I see the file? I need to know if my claim, like for the early, just wait, early just wait. Right. So, I need to know that if I apply for probation.
Yes.
Yes. Good. That's all they want. Both of them, right?
Yes. What date?
August 18th.
All right, you're,
You said August what?
18th.
Thank you. Nine o'clock.
Who's here on Jesus Zamaripa?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, why were you late for court?
Well, I was late when I woke up pretty late.
All right, do you want to be in jail? Because at the Bexar County Jail, we'll know where you are and they'll bring you here. Sometimes they bring you late, but they'll make sure you're here. Would you like that?
No, Your Honor,
How old are you?
19.
All right, do not be late for this court again. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, my understanding is today for disposition. Is that not the case?
For disposition, Your Honor, I believe we were scheduled on a plea deadline for Mr. Zamaripa. We do have an agreement with the state. However, it does involve an unindicted case with family violence. We were trying to get that taken care of this morning, but I believe family violence is running into some issues getting the waiver plea taken care of. We're asking just for a short reset so that we can get all the plea paperwork taken care of and presented to the court.
All right, Norma, recall this for Thursday.
Sounds good, Judge.
And you need to be on time. If you're not on time, the court will consider a bond forfeiture. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for addressing appropriately for court, though. I appreciate that. All right, just make sure you're on time, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's what type of setting is it?
It's for a plea.
Yes, Judge.
All right, just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day as well.
Oh, thank you.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. A packed courtroom, a handful of procedural resets, and a memorable exchange or two classic Judge Boyd. We checked in on several cases, but the standout moments belonged to two defendants, Esteban Tiarino and Bio Duke Vu, in Tiarino's case. The court considered a motion to shift him from full house arrest to partial, so he could work, apparently, at Linda's Tires and also for a tree service. Judge Boyd was open to the idea, but not without setting clear expectations. She asked for proof of employment and a detailed work schedule before any changes would be made. No shortcuts there. For Bio Duc Phu, things turned procedural but revealing. Though his primary language is Vietnamese, he confirmed multiple times that he could understand and speak English. Judge Boyd was meticulous in making sure the defendant was knowingly waiving the right to an interpreter, a subtle but crucial part of ensuring due process. Vu faces 3 indictments, including one for attempting to take a weapon from an officer. And while the court moved to set a plea deadline for early August, the judge made it clear, if no agreement is reached by then, the case goes to trial and plea bargains go off the table. Elsewhere, there were quiet reminders of courtroom rhythm plea resets, discovery updates, and an instance of one young defendant showing up late to court. Judge Boyd, with her signature blend of dry humor and authority, warned him, at the Bergen County Jail, they'll know where you are. A light laugh in the room, but the message was received. Across the board, Judge Boyd showed how a courtroom should run efficiently, firmly, and with just enough room for grace. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone,